A federal high court sitting in Kano has ordered that Muhammadu Sanusi II, who recently reinstated as the Emir of Kano, should be evicted from the palace. Ha. Hey, these people, their own, this back and forth thing is something else. And a lot of lawyers, a lot of people have come out to say that this is a state matter, that the federal government has nothing to do with this whole thing. When it comes to traditional rulers and chieftaincy titles, it is the responsibilities of the state government. But like I say, they don't want to hear what. Like I said, there's this back and forth. You see that again, they say court has already ordered Bahero to leave the state, Kano state. Now we're hearing this. So who is not going to be there? Some reporters reported on Monday that a high court in Kano state had granted an order restraining the newly sacked Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero, and 4 others from parading themselves as monarchs in the state. The order, which was granted after an ex parte motion was heard by the court, mandated all the dethroned emirs from acting in their official capacity and asked them to immediately leave their palaces. The court also compelled the Nigeria police force to take over the place of the Emir of Kano being occupied by Ado Bayero and ensure the eviction of former Emir. Some reporters reported on May 24, 2024, that a federal high court sitting in Kano had barred the state government from enforcing the Kano State Emirate Council repeal law. The presiding judge, Justice Mohammed Lima, granted the order in an ex parte application. Yes, which was brought by Alhaji Aminu Baba Dan Agundi, the sacking Dawaki Baba of the Kano Emirates, as a plaintiff against the Kano State government. Kano State House of Assembly, Speaker of the Kano State of Assembly, Attorney General of Kano State, Commissioner of Police, Kano State Inspector General of Police, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, Department of Services of State Services DSS as 1 to 8 defendants. However, Justice Simon A. Amo Beda on Tuesday, barely 24 hours after the state high court gave an order to evict the deposed emirs, ordered the police to ensure all rights and privileges due to the 15th emir of Kano, Aminu Baderu, are given to him as the rightful emir of Kano. Justice Amo Beda gave the order a motion ex parte with suits FAC/KN/CS/190/2024 between His Royal Highness Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero as applicant and Attorney General of the Federation, the Attorney General of Kano State, Nigeria Police Force, Inspector General of Police, Commissioner of Police, Kano State Command, State Security Service, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, Nigeria Army, Nigeria Navy, and Nigeria Air Force as 1 to 10 respondents. The judge said the order was made in the interest of justice and the maintenance of peace in Kano State. The enrolled judgment reads in part. Okay. These people are looking for wahala, wahala. Wahala day. Wahala. Yes, that upon the motion ex parte dated and filed on 27th day of May 2024, coming before this honorable court, praying for the following orders: an order of interim injunction restraining the respondents either by themselves, their agents, servants, privies, or any other person or authority from inviting, arresting, detaining, threatening, intimidating, harassing the applicant, reading, tampering with, or visiting the applicant in order to arrest or infringe on his rights, or in any other way infringe or attempt to infringe the applicant's rights, pending the hearing and determination of the originating motion. Okay, all this plenty story, but the bottom line now is that Federal High Court orders eviction of newly reinstated Emir of Kano, Sanusi, from the palace. Okay. Islam remains the best religion in the whole world. As a Yoruba Muslim man, I pray may Islam take over our land. So that we will be liberated from Christianity and idol worship. What see that one get to do with this one? Yeah, this one don't know what they do. Okay, oh. Even the Islamic nations don't even practice the kind of Islam you people want to practice here. Being a Muslim or Christian has not bettered the lives of Nigerians the same way you people voted along religion line, and we are all enjoying it now. Are you not ashamed of yourself already? What bring religion to this? Look at this one. I don't understand though. I don't know what brings religion to this place. This is becoming a child's play. The battle of the court order. Never seen an institution as shameless as Nigeria judiciary. How do these buffons sleep after all this? They should start putting names and pictures of all these our cash and carry judges so that we know them in person. If you know them, what are you going to do about them? The Federal High Courts lack jurisdiction to entertain the case. We play too much in this country. Lastly, we all must respect constituted authority. Governor is the chief security officer of his state. Also, governor is responsible for issuing certificates of kings and emirs in his state, not even federal government. Let Sanusi and Bayero have a physical fight and let the winner occupy the place. The second round will be Ganduje and Abba. Oh my goodness, somebody's living it. Who is that judge from Federal High Court that's the type of order? The office governor has the power. Office of the governor has the power over the traditional rulers. Of course, everybody is aware of that. Now, both emirs should take turns. Bayero in the morning, Sanusi in the night, since the judiciary wants to be mad. Kano elders should rise against this matter. It is how you handle this kind of situation that will make you a leader, and people should know leader is not only the oldest people in a society. The most useless decision we have in Nigeria, believe it or not, is judiciary. They are the real problem of this nation. The judiciary is one solid factor. They made Nigeria difficult for Nigerians because they cannot even deliver a good judgment, always for the highest bidders. I think we can do away with law court in Nigeria because the absurd going on there is perplexing. Judiciary confusion. The court is more confused than the ordinary people. Funny judges in Nigeria. Last is courts that will set Nigeria ablaze one day. Let them continue. Let them continue.